Hello guys, myself Ankit. In this video, we shall see another problem on LeetCode. Single number. So this problem has been solved with the brute force approach in the previous videos. I have given the link of the video in the description box. Please to check it. In this video, we shall see other better and optimal approach. Brute force, brute force approach already we have seen. We'll be looking into better and optimal approach in this video. So a non-empty array of integers, every element appears twice except for the one. So find that single one. You must implement the solution with the linear runtime complexity and using only one extra space. So they've given the question. They say in the array all the elements appears twice except only the one. So it may be 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 2 comma 1. So you could see 1 1, then 2 2, but 3 is appearing only once. So this is the element which we need to return. In the brute force approach, we sorted the array, then we went on checking the adjacent elements whether they are equal or not. If they are not equal and count was 1, then you have returned this. So that is what we did in brute force approach. Please to check the video in the description box. But other method what we can do. So what we can do is we can use hash set or set anything, set in Java or C++. So what we can do, we know all the elements are appearing twice except for the one. So once you encounter the elements, 1, is it present in set now? No, 1 is not present in set. So you insert 1 into the set. Next move here. 2, whether it is present in set? No, you insert 2 into the set. Then 3, is it present in set? No, again insert. And we know set contains only unique elements. Then coming to 2, is 2 is present in set already? Yes. Now you remove this 2. Got it? It cancelled out. Next 1. Is it present in set? Yes. So you remove this 1. So now the set is containing only 3, which is a single element. So it's something like you are adding it to the set, then cancelling out from the set. That means once appearing twice in the array, and the element which appears only once, we add into set, but for cancelling out the set, the other element won't appear in the array. So this is how we solve the problem. So in Java, we have dot add and dot remove. In C++, it's insert, and dot erase. And to check whether the element is present in set, it means it is nothing but set dot contains of particular number. But in C++, it's set dot count of number. So add, insert, remove, erase. Here it is to check whether it is present in set or not, contains, and here it is count. So at last set will be containing only one element and we need to return that element. How do we return? So in Java it will be set dot iterator. So we keep a iterator dot next. Since it's only one element, that one element will be returned. But in in C++, set dot begin we will return with star. So 3 will be returned. So simple code for int num in nums. So if set dot contains of num, then what we need to do? We have to remove it, else add that number to the set. So at last, after doing this operation, the single element appearing only once in the array will be written. Set dot iterator on next and begin. So this is the better approach. But we have other optimal approach as well. You could say here we are doing taking the extra space, right? As said. So extra space is something but half of the array plus 1 because the some element is appearing twice. All the elements are appearing twice except for the one. So for that one extra space, and n by 2 means we know set contains unique elements. So if 1 comma 1 comma 2 comma 2 is there, 1 comma 2 will be only the appearing in the set. That's why n by 2 plus 1. It's the extra space it's taking and time complexity as well. So that's why what we can do. But in the question they have told. So in the question they have told we should not take any such kind of extra space or time. So what we can do, The other approach can be using the XOR operation. So in XOR we know if it is 0 comma 0, 0 XOR 0 will be 0 only. Then 1 0 will be 1, 0 1 will be 1, 1 1 will be 1, 1 1 will be 0. So the logic behind XOR is if the two elements are same, then it will return in 0. If they are different, 1 comma 0 0 comma they are different, right? Then it will return 1. Same case applies here. Do the XOR operation. If you do 1 XOR with 2, XOR with 3, XOR with 2, XOR with 1. So it's nothing but 1 XOR with 1, XOR with 2, 2 XOR with 3. So 1 XOR with 1, what it will give you? 0. Then 2 XOR with 2 will give you 0, XOR with 3. So 0 XOR with 0 will be 0, XOR with 3 will give you 3 as the answer. So very simple. So keep a XOR pointer, initialize it with 0 only or any first number and start performing the operation. So for int each number in nums, let XOR be initialized to 0. So XOR equal to XOR of what? The number. So at last return XOR. So when you XOR with 2, 2 and this whole with XOR with 3, then this whole will be XOR with 2, then this whole will be XOR with 1. And at last you remain with 3. Okay, we will code this. This is the optimal approach. Here we are not taking any extra space, only one extra space, constant extra space we are taking, and it's taking linear time complexity. So we will say int XOR will be equal to 0 x for int num in nums. So XOR equals to num. So at last return the XOR. That's it. We will run. Yeah, and the same code applies in C++ as well. Nothing changed. I'll just paste this. Okay. Okay, since XOR is a reserved keyword in C++, we'll not use it. Instead we can use reserve. Okay. Yeah. Successfully submitted. If you understood the concept, please do like the video and subscribe to the channel. We'll come to the other next session. Until then, keep learning. Thank you.